If you're heading to Mittenwald in Germany soon and looking for a centrally located hotel, then this review of Alpenhotel Rieger could be for you. I'll walk you through the whole hotel, I'll give you a full room tour and show you what to expect if you're planning on booking this hotel too. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on our road trip through Germany, we stayed in Mittenwald at Alpenhotel Rieger. We chose this hotel because it was centrally located and also had free parking facilities as well. When we arrived at the hotel, the check-in was pretty seamless. And I initially loved their reception's first impression. The vibe was very warm, cozy and welcoming. Then we were shown straight up to our room. We were staying in a double room that cost 371 Australian dollars. First impressions of the room was okay. I did like how spacious it was, but it did initially feel slightly dated. But while exploring, I did find everything was great quality. The room had a desk with a TV on top and a seating area as well. And the bed was definitely really comfortable. And there were PowerPoint plugs next to each side of the bed, which is always very handy. Inside the large cupboard, I found a safe and plenty of storage for our suitcases or to hang anything. But what I loved about this room is we actually had our own private balcony, and the views from the balcony were absolutely unreal. We had our own private bathroom, which was spacious enough and it was clean. And also a few extra toiletries as well. Our stay also included breakfast, which was buffet style and had a great selection. There were all the usuals you'd find, such as bacon and eggs, as well as plenty of bread and cold cut options. It was quite a large dining room, so you'd have no problem finding a spot too. And on the basement level, the hotel also had extra facilities which included a pool and sauna. Unfortunately, I couldn't film in there as there were people using the facilities. And if you're visiting in winter like us, the pool is indoors and heated. And a few extra things that are included are free Wi-Fi and also complimentary parking, which is across the road, not part of the building. So it could be quite annoying if it's raining or heavy snow, but it's really not a far walk just across the road. We absolutely loved our stay here. It was so conveniently located, and having a private balcony with beautiful views was a bonus we didn't know we wanted. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at Alpenhotel Rieger in Mittenwald, Germany. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.